Hello and welcome to the tutorial on the History Reference Center. There are a few handy ways to search for information using this database. A basic keyword search is usually the best place to start. As you can see, this database includes autocomplete and spell check to ensure that you will search for the correct term. In your search results, you can see on the left-hand side limiters. These can also be found under Advanced Search if you're wanting to narrow down your results before beginning. You can limit dates and peer-reviewed versus images, but you can also do source types. So it has the usual of reviews in academic journals, but it also includes magazines, biographies, newspapers, and my personal favorite, primary source documents. So let's say the keywords aren't finding the results you really want. You can also go to Advanced Search and try searching under subject headings by changing the field here. The Database tab of this LibGuide includes some suggested subject headings for the French Revolution. History Reference Center also includes reading levels because not only is it marketed to undergraduate students, it's marketed to high school as well. So if you're having trouble comprehending any of those heavier articles, you could try changing your Lexile reading level. A lot of the articles will also list under their search results what their reading level is. Now back to the search results, and we can see one of the other more unique parts of the History Reference Center, and that's that it boasts a very large collection of historical images and videos. So these images can be anything from illustrations to portraits to graphs to photographs. So you should definitely check those out if you want to add a little bit of something to your research. Now, after you've found an article you like, try using this Cite tool. This will help you cite the source in your paper. If you scroll over here, you can see all the different styles, so just make sure that you select the correct one for your course requirements. So if you need any further help on search tips, see the tips box found in the Databases tab, or feel free to use my contact information found on the Home tab of this LibGuide. Happy searching!